In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually add contact to Klaviyo. We'll walk through this together step by step so you can follow along in your own Klaviyo account. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add an individual email address to a list without needing to upload a full file or set up an automated flow. First, go ahead and log into your Klaviyo account and head to the main dashboard. From here, look toward the left-hand side of the screen and click on the section labeled Audience. This is where Klaviyo organizes all of your subscribers and customer data. Once you're in the audience area, select Lists and Segments. This page shows all of the different groups you've created. Now, it's important to make sure you're working with a list, not a segment. In the table you see, there will be a column labeled Type. Find the list you want to add your contact to, and check that the type column for that row says List, not Segment. Segments are dynamic and based on conditions, so you can't manually push contacts into them the same way. Once you've found the correct list, click directly on its name to open it. At the top right of the list page, you'll see a button or drop-down labeled Manage List. Click on that to reveal more options related to this specific list. From the drop-down menu, choose Import Contacts. Even though we're only adding a single person, this is still the best method because Klaviyo treats manual additions the same way it treats imported contacts. On the Import Contacts screen, Klaviyo will likely prompt you to upload a file by default. For a single email, that's not necessary. Look toward the bottom of this window for a link that says Switch to Copy and Paste CSV and click on it. This changes the interface so you can paste or type data directly instead of uploading a spreadsheet. Now you'll see a large text box. Type or paste the email address you want to add directly into that box. If you're adding more than one, you can put each email on its own line. But if you're just adding one contact, a single email is enough. Take a quick moment to double-check for typos, since a small mistake here can prevent someone from receiving your emails. When you're ready, click Next. Klaviyo will now show you a field mapping screen. Here, you just need to confirm that the column you entered is mapped to the email field. Once you see that email is correctly recognized, click Import to finish the process. After a short moment, Klaviyo will add that contact to your chosen list, and they'll be ready to receive campaigns and flows associated with it.